Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is the target I will be shooting today with my CZ452 22 ZKM rifle. Today is a special treat for you guys, and it was special for me, of course. This is my recent trip to Koh Samui, and this is the place called Samui Paragon gun shooting range. So so I had the chance to try out the CZ452 rifle, and it's a fantastic .22 caliber rifle, which is known for its accuracy and smooth performance. It was a good shoot for me. This is the first time I'm trying it. It was the good fun, and definitely it's worth a visit this Paragon shooting range. They've got quite a few different range of rifles and pistols and guns to try out. So after this, I had a experience with the Glock 19 Gen 5 as well. So that was the that was a something experience as well. So thank you guys. I hope you enjoy watching as much as I enjoyed the experience. And if you find yourself in Koh Samui, I highly recommend giving it a try. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting adventure and learning experience. And there is other few places that I will be uploading, so please do subscribe. And at the end, you guys can do the judge. I've done pretty good shooting for the first time. I mean, to be honest, this wasn't that difficult. And I think in the target I've done a one boo boo, but the rest was pretty good. You guys can have a look at that at the end. Thank you again, and see you on my next video.